people have come to the countryside for a range of reasons, but actually having a task as well, I think is quite a good focus.
I've really enjoyed it. We've done all sorts of different things through the year, and it's been lovely to watch the seasons change. It's always beautiful.
I mean, collectively, we can make a real difference.
Develop much more awareness of wildlife and so on. Always something to learn.
Learn things from one another as well. And I've done my City and Guilds chipper training, so I've got skills that I didn't have before.
Green volunteering's open to any from 7 to 70 and older and younger.
It's the good that you can do in the community, helping your local community, but there's so many other benefits. Once you start volunteering, then you make so many friends. It's a fantastic outlet, and you find you've got a new social group.
I know that I've got somewhere to go every week that's going to socialise me, that's going to keep me busy, take my mind off things, and I get to do it with great people.
So I'm studying ecology right now, so it's theoretical, learning about sort of the processes, but it's nice to actually do that in the field, so sort of learning how to coppice trees, for example. That's not something you'd learn in the classroom.
So there's a whole gambit of things that people can be involved in, and you know, at the end of the day, when we run events, people say you work to your abilities.
Say, give it a try and see. You'd be amazed at what there is local to you. Lots of really interesting projects to join. Do something different. It's really nice to have a change and get a bit of mental and physical stimulation, I guess.
The benefits of being outdoors cannot be underestimated, and statistically it's been proven again and again.
It's a great thing to do with a friend or a family member.
Make the world a better place really through what I love, which is nature and outdoors and community.